Welcome to another episode of Healthy Cooking. Today I will show you how to make delicious and creamy tahini without adding oil. All you need is sesame seeds, and with a few simple tricks, you'll get an incredibly tasty tahini. To make it worthwhile, I recommend using 2 cups of sesame seeds. This will yield about a cup of tahini. The key to delicious tahini is toasting the sesame seeds just right. The best way to do this is in the oven, where you can spread them out in a thin, even layer, like this. Set your oven to 160 degrees and roast the seeds for 5 minutes. Then take them out and give them a stir to ensure the ones at the bottom don't burn. Spread them out evenly again and return them to the oven for another 5 minutes. Once they are done, stir them one last time and let them cool for about 5 minutes. You'll notice they have a light golden color. This is perfect. Be careful not to over-toast them, as that can make your tahini taste bitter. It's blending time. Add your sesame seeds to a food processor and start blending. Using slightly warm seeds helps release their natural oils faster, making the process smoother and easier on your food processor. At first, you'll see the seeds breaking down. Pause every now and then to scrape down the sides and give your processor a short break. Soon, the mixture will turn crumbly, and as the oils release, it will gradually become smooth and runny. With a few pauses, this whole process will take around 10 minutes. And there you have it, perfectly silky homemade tahini. Now transfer it to a container or jar, and it's ready to enjoy. You can store this tahini in the fridge for about a month. Tahini is a versatile ingredient in the kitchen, but unlike store-bought versions, this homemade one is delicious on its own too. Sometimes I just spread it on crackers, top it with whatever I have left over, and it makes a wonderful snack. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time!